Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are doing well. Today inshallah we're going to have an English class with me Badriya Rushidi and with my colleague Imad Dweb. So today we have 6th grade, 2nd semester, English language weekend 6, unit number 1, reading and writing, page 6, challenge time, page 7. Okay? Okay, my student, I want you now to look at the board and tell me which unit we are in. Yes, unit number 1, fun on the weekend. That's right, okay? So let's start our lesson by looking at this picture. I want you to look at this picture carefully and tell me, what can you see? What can you see in this picture? Think and tell me, please. Yes, a man. Very good, excellent. Okay. I can see a man. Yes. Okay. Some eggs. Very good. I can see some eggs. Very good. That's good. Okay. What else can you see? Okay. Look at the white thing here. What is it? Okay. We call it flower. It's flower. Okay, look. Here we have. Sorry. Okay. We call it flower. Okay. Yes. So what do you think this man is? What is his job? Yes, maybe he is a cook. Very good, excellent, excellent. Or a man just doing something here. Let's see. The next one. And now, what do you think? What can you see here? Yes, the man. Here we have what? What can you see? Yes, I can see a tomato. Very good, excellent. A tomato and yes, tomato sauce. That's good, yes. Okay. Okay. And now look here. What do you think he's making? What is he making? What is he cooking? Can you guess? Yes, pizza. That's right. It's a pizza. So this man makes a pizza. Very good. Okay. So our lesson today, we will learn how to make something, okay, buy some food with us, okay, and also we will ask and answer questions with how many and how much, and make sentences with some and any. Also we will read an English menu and order at a restaurant, okay? Okay. So now let's learn how to make a pizza, okay? So to make pizza, we need, okay, look at the picture and tell me what do we need, okay? Yes, tomatoes. Very good. We need tomatoes. That's good. Excellent. Okay, and also we need what? Look at this one here. What do you call it? It's oil. Oil. Okay? So repeat after me. Oil. Very good. Yes, we need tomatoes, oil, and also we need what? Yes, flour. That's good. We need flour. Okay, repeat after me, please. Flour. That's good. Okay, and also we need peppers. Okay, we need peppers. Repeat after me, please. Peppers. Very good. Okay, look at the peppers here. What the color of the peppers here? Yes, we have 3 colors. That's right, huh? Green, red, and yellow. That's good. Okay. Very good, excellent. So what else do we need? Mushrooms. We need mushrooms, okay? This is the mushroom. Okay? Repeat after me. Mushrooms. Very good. Excellent. That's good. So before we start, my student, I want you to look here. We have something here. Okay? I want you to look at this. Okay? This is sugar. It's sugar, okay? Look at the sugar. Can you count the sugar here? Can you count? 1, 2. Can you count? Is it easy to count the sugar? Is it easy? No, we can't. We can't count the sugar. So it's uncountable. We can't count it, okay? And also, look at water here. It's water, right? Can you count the water? Can we count 1, 2, 3? Can we? No, we can't, okay? Because water is liquid. Okay, so it is uncountable, okay? Okay. Now look here. What do we have here? What do we have? Yes, we have bananas, right? Okay, can you count the bananas? How many bananas do we have here? Let's count together. 1, 2, and 3. Yes, we have 3 bananas. We have 3 bananas. So we can count bananas. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So you see the difference between, for example, sugar and bananas. Okay? 1, 2, 3 bananas. But here we say sugar because it is uncountable. It's not easy. Okay? So look at the bird, please. Okay? So here we have countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Okay? Countable nouns like bananas. We can count 1, 2, and 3 bananas. But uncountable nouns, that means we cannot count. It's not easy, okay? So I will do it like this. Countable nouns, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 100, 1,000, okay? But what about uncountable? It means not countable. Yes, we can't. Something like liquid, something like powder. Okay, we can't count. Okay, because it's not easy. Okay, you don't want to spend your time counting. Okay. So let's see here. Countable nouns like tomatoes. You see, we add s for the plural nouns. Okay, tomatoes, mushrooms. You count 1, 2, and 3 mushrooms. Okay. What about peppers? How many peppers can you count? 1, 2, and 3 peppers. Yes, we can count, so we add the s at the end of the countable nouns. Okay? What about uncountable, like flour? So, flour is uncountable. Uncountable. And also, oil. Yes, oil is uncountable because it is liquid. Okay? What about cheese? Yes. Also, cheese is uncountable. So, look, my student, what's the difference? Can you tell me? Have you noticed anything here with these words? The countable, uncountable? Yes. We add s at the end of the countable nouns when it's plural. Okay? And also, here we don't add s because it is uncountable, right? Very good, okay? So, Also, when we want to ask a question about the countable nouns, we ask with how many. How many? When we want to ask about the number. How many tomatoes? How many bananas? How many apples? Yes, that's good. Okay, can you think of other countable nouns like food? Oranges, very good, excellent. How many oranges do we have? Very good, okay. But with uncountable, we ask with how much. How much? How much flour do we have? How much oil do we have? Can you think of other uncountable nouns? How much water? Excellent. How much water? That's good. Very good. Okay. So, again, countable nouns. We start or we ask with how many. And here's some examples: tomatoes, mushrooms, peppers. And uncountable nouns, we ask with how much. And then here we have some examples: flour, oil, and cheese. Okay? Okay, my student. So, now listen and read. Circle the answer in the chart. Now I want you to listen carefully, okay, to this talk between two girls, and pick up your pencils and circle the correct answer, okay? Ready? Pick up your pencils, please. Listen carefully. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Is there anything to eat? Why don't we make pizza? That's a great idea. What do we need? Let me see. We need flour, oil, cheese, tomatoes, peppers, and mushrooms. How much flour do we need? We need 2 cups of flour. And oil? How much oil do we need? Half a cup of oil. And cheese? How much cheese? 3 cups of cheese. Wow, that's a lot of cheese. What about tomatoes? How many tomatoes do we need? 4 tomatoes. Okay, 4 tomatoes. How many peppers? 2 peppers. How many mushrooms do we need? 10 mushrooms. Okay. Okay, my students, so give me your answers. Okay, what about flour? Yes, 2 cups. Excellent. 2 cups. Very good. Okay, what about oil? Half a cup. Very good. That's good. What about cheese? Yes, 3 cups. You know the cup? 3 cups. Okay. That's, yes. What about tomatoes? How many tomatoes? How many tomatoes? 4 tomatoes. Very good. What about peppers? How many peppers? Give me your answers. 2 peppers. You see? 2 peppers. I add S. Okay, what about mushrooms? How many mushrooms? 10 mushrooms. Very good. 10 mushrooms. Okay, check your answers, please. And that's good. Well done. Okay. Again, I want you to listen carefully to the talk again, okay? And check with yes or no, okay? Listen and circle yes or no in the chart, okay, to see if they have or they don't have the food they want to make the pizza, okay? So, listen carefully. Pick up your pencils, please. Ready? Okay. Okay, let's check and see what we have. We have some flour, but we don't have any oil. Okay, so we need to buy some oil. We have cheese. What about tomatoes and peppers? We have 5 tomatoes, but we don't have any peppers. So we need to buy oil and peppers. And mushroom. We don't have any mushrooms. Okay? Done? Okay, let's check together. So, what about flour? Do they have flour? Yes or no? Yes, yes, yes. We have some flour. We have some flour. Okay, what about oil? No, yes, we don't have any. We don't have any oil in the house. Okay, very good. Now, cheese. What about cheese? Yes, we have some cheese. We have some cheese. What about tomatoes? Yes, we have some tomatoes. Some tomatoes. What about peppers? We don't have any peppers. Okay, so no. That's good. What about mushrooms? Give me your answers. You choose no. That's good. Okay, so we don't have any mushrooms. Okay, well done. Very good. Okay, so here we have some and any. Okay, you heard me using some and any. Okay, what's the difference between some and any? Okay, some when the sentence is positive, okay, but any when the sentence is negative, like we don't, not, we use not, we don't have any, nothing. We don't have anything, okay? Any tomatoes, any mushrooms, we don't have. But some, we have some. Okay, so I want you to look here. Then you'll see the difference between those, between some and any, and also but. Okay, but also when we have different, yes, not similar ideas, different ideas. Okay, we took it before. So here, number 1, we have, I'll give you the first sentence. We have some, let me think. Okay, brainstorming. Yes, we have some peppers. We have some peppers. But, you see, but we don't have, you see here, not, we don't have any. Yes, here we have any. We use any. We don't have any oil. We don't have any oil. Okay? You see the difference here, my student? We have some peppers, okay? But, different idea. But we don't have any oil. Okay, with not we use any, but some it's okay. Okay, I'll show you the other one, and then I wanted to think of similar sentences. Okay, okay, we have tomatoes here. And here, flour. Okay. Now I wanted to put some or any. Okay? I will read it. Okay. We have tomatoes, but we don't have flour. Okay, with tomatoes we put some. Very good. Excellent. Some. What about flour? We don't have, yes, any. Very good. With negative, yes. We don't have any flour. So we have to go to the supermarket and buy some flour. Okay? Very good. Now I want you to make sentences like this. Okay? With some and any, and also join these sentences with but. Okay? Try to make it and share it with your teacher. Okay. Okay. Now with challenge time on page number 7, all of you please open your English books on page 7. Okay? Yes, here we have, it's like, it's fun, okay? I wanted to do it with your friend. It's about ordering in a restaurant, okay? Imagine that you are in a restaurant and you and your friend, okay? And one of you should be the waiter or she should be a waitress, okay? Just imagine, and also you can play with your friends, okay? Can you be a waiter or waitress and take an order from partner? Okay? So let's see here. As this, can you see here we have what? Yes, a man. Where is he? In a restaurant. That's good. Okay. Can you tell me what job is it? What's his job? What does he do? Yes, he's a waiter. He is a waiter. The waiter takes your, yes, order. Very good, excellent. In a restaurant, that's good. Okay, very good. Okay, see here, this is the man, the customer, and this is the waiter. Okay, so listen. Before we listen, look at this one. What is it? This like paper. What is it? Yes, it is a menu. This is the menu. Very good, excellent. Yes, in a restaurant, they give you a menu to see and choose the food and drinks that you would like to have, right? Okay, look here. Let me change the color. Okay, this is the menu. In the menu, usually you have like appetizer. Okay, appetizer, it means that something you start your meal with. Okay, like what? Very good. Soup, salad. That's good, yes. And also we have main course or main dishes. Like, can you think? Yes, like pasta with tomato sauce, for example. Yes, that's good, okay? And also, yes, we have also drinks like green tea, honey tea, juice. Yes, excellent, okay? And also, we have dessert, okay? We have desserts like, it is a sweet. After the food, you have it, okay? Like cake, that's good. Ice cream, yes. Okay, that's fruit salad, yes, that's good, okay. which is healthy, right? Very good. Okay, so now listen to the talk. Okay. What would you like? I'd like salad, pasta, and green tea, please. Sure, just a moment. Okay, so look here at this man. He said, I'd like, and he names the food he wants to, and then he said, please. So when you ask for something, when you finish, say please, which is polite to say. Okay, it is good to say please to be polite, okay? So again, what would you like? I'd like salad, pasta, and green tea, please. Sure, just a moment. Okay, now I want you to do it and play with your friend. Okay, be the waiter or waitress and the customer. Okay, think of the food you want and also try to find a menu and read it. Okay, as real. Okay. Okay, now let's go to the workbook on page 75 and 76. Okay, on page 75, listen and fill in the missing words. Okay, here we have much and many. Okay, how many and how much? Okay, can you tell me when we use much for countable or uncountable? Much. Yes, uncountable. Do it like this to remember, okay? What about many? Yes, countable. Okay, so how flour do we need to make a cake? 3 cups. Okay, which one? Yes, look here, we have flour. Yes, flour uncountable, so we choose much. Okay, and do the others. Okay, now here we have number 6. Choose some and or any. Number 6, we have sugar, but we don't have milk. Yes, good. Okay, some sugar because it's positive sentence, but we don't have any milk. You see, we have don't, but we don't have any milk. Then number 2, write A, B, or C as matching. Okay. Also on page 76, we have number 1, listen and practice. Fill in the missing words. Listen carefully. Number 2, use the example in exercise number 1 and write your own dialogues. Okay. Imagine and write your own dialogue. Okay. Also number 3, write A, B, or C. Okay. Okay. So my student, today we ask and answer questions with how many and how much, and make sentences with some and any, and also we read an English menu and practice ordering at a restaurant with our friends. Okay, so thank you and see you inshallah next time.